Hey, we got Grand Geyser out there at 1308.
I'll see your Grand and raise you Beehive indicator, 1308.
Oh, they just called a Beehive indicator over the radio.
Yeah, Beehive indicator, 1308.
That's exciting. I don't know how long before Beehive goes off, but we better get going. Grand is still going strong. I think it's still on the first burst. You can see vent over there on the left pretty well. Now, kids, we're at Castle, but I want you to see Beehive's indicator right near Beehive, between Beehive and the boardwalk, gathering a little crowd there. There goes Beehive, guys. That is cool. The walkie-talkie has paid for itself. That's living.
By the way, the Grand was a 3-2.
Yeah, Beehive's still working. Awesome.